Wow, it's dry, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe. It's been the longest time since I posted a washing day and decided to do a video for you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about how this machine works. Upon all the videos that I've made answering a lot of questions, people are still asking a lot of questions, so I'm here today to answer all your questions for you. So today I'm going to do a washing. First of all, before you wash your clothes, do salting. Salt all the clothes to align colors. Don't mix black, red, blue to other neutral colors. Salt them aside. First wash the whites, wash the colorful ones. So now I'm going to use this plastic, 3 buckets of this plastic. It's a medium plastic, so I'm going to use 2. If it's the red big one, that one you use only 2. But for this green one, it's a medium bucket, so I'm going to use 3 buckets of water. So after I was done with that, I'm going to do a little bit of done with that, I'm going to do a little bit of omo. Now I'm using milk. So let me show you a little bit trick here. Now I don't do washing with only washing powder. I do it with soap in addition. So Janie's soap was kind enough to send me this soap, and I really love it because look at the ingredients, guys. Janie's soap is a multi-purpose fruity soap. This one is a lemon flavor, but it contains it smells so good. Let's look at the ingredients. It contains sodium palmate, sodium chloride, tetrasodium, calcium carbonate. Fragrances is washing machine friendly. It doesn't fade your clothes. I like it. Do you know you can also bath with this soap? It makes your skin so soft. So I'm going to grate this soap. How it foams, how it melts easily. It's so soft because of the ingredients too. It's so mild on the skin, on the cloth, on anything you use. It's a multi-purpose soap. Actually, it was made in Indonesia from a highest quality product. If you go on a market and you see Janie's soap, kindly grab it. I have all the flavors. Use other flavors in videos. It smells so good. You don't need any softener, any flavor. After using Janie's soap, you will like it. So let's start putting my clothes in the water and start washing. Let the washing begin. Now you can do your washing wherever. If that is raining, and then you can still do your washing. Grab yours now. I'm so excited. So I'm done grating the soap. Let's go. You see the way there is water in the machine? Exactly the same way I want you to also do yours. Don't fill the machine with enough goose. Have you seen the way the soap is melting already? Have you seen the way the soap is melting already, guys? So you see we have a standard wash, a soft wash, quick wash, heavy duty, wash only, spin only, tap clean, tap air dry. Yeah, so this is your programming. This is your quick wash stuff. If you want to do quick wash, it contains only the shirts, pajamas, the t-shirts, casual shirts. It's not supposed to be something which is heavy. Okay, light goes. This is the brand of machine I'm using. Heavy duty stuff also contain the blanket, the sheets, the jeans overall. So I added a jean skirt in it. So today I'm going for a heavy duty wash. I mostly choose the standard wash, but today because I have it, so I just on the machine. You see the machine is on now. Yes, Ali. So after the machine is on, the one on the machine is signaling you of a standard wash. So I'm going to change it to 4. You see the 4 over there is a heavy duty. So I'm going to change it to 4. Let me check my water level now and see. Okay, check the water level is 6L. So it ranges between the medium. So it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So let's start with our programming. So I'm going to turn it to the duty, heavy duty. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So now I'm going to do the 4th one. Then you click on the start button. The machine is starting already. 67 minutes. This is the 12 kg Hachima washing machine. A BB over there is washing. The machine wants to spin now. I told you in my other video that the machine is a reservoir, so it reserves some of the water to rinse it. So now if you hear the sound, it means the water is now popping up so that you can rinse it. You get me? And the CC here means rinse. So let's check it. So the machine literally do everything for you. It will leave it some minutes, but I felt it was okay, so I off the machine. Look at the cloth. Look at how clean that's washed this cloth. It's dry, guys. Look at it. It's dry. There's no need for you to do too much, okay? So the ones that I feel like it's not too dry, that is the ones that I'll dry on the rubber dry. It's dry, guys. Everything. I can just wear it to anywhere I want to wear it to. But because look at this dress, it was even heavy, so I thought it won't dry. You see, I highly recommend this machine.